Photosynthesis by Gracie Welch, Carson Sager, and Travis Kristoff. The light-dependent reactions in photosynthesis occur in the chloroplast of a plant, specifically the thylakoid membrane. Photosystem 2 absorbs the light energy, which excites an electron to a higher energy level. This makes photosystem 2 one electron short, and this electron is replaced by the photolysis of water. Oxygen is released as a byproduct, here signaled as the wide LEGO. The excited electron travels down the electron transport chain. At the same time, light energy is absorbed by photosystem 1, which excites one of its electrons. The electron that is lost in photosystem 1 is replaced by the excited electron from photosystem 2. The excited electron from photosystem 1 travels down another electron transport chain and reduces NADP+ to NADPH. The energy lost from the electrons as they travel down the electron transport chain is used in the process of chemiosmosis to make ATP. H+ ions that are inside the thylakoid space, or the smaller LEGOs, diffuse back through the stroma through ATP synthase. This causes the ATP synthase to spin, which forces ADP and a phosphate together, forming ATP. The Calvin cycle occurs in the stroma of chloroplasts. The Calvin cycle involves the process of carbon fixation, assimilating carbon from a non-organic compound, i.e. CO2, and incorporating it into an organic compound, i.e. carbohydrates. 3 molecules of CO2 from the atmosphere are joined to 3 molecules of RUBP, a 5-carbon sugar, by ribisco, an enzyme also known as RUBP carboxylase. Step 2 is reduction. The 3 6-carbon molecules, very unstable, split in half, forming 6 3-carbon molecules. These molecules are then reduced by gaining electrons from NADPH. ATP is required for molecular rearranging. There are now 6 3-carbon molecules, which are known as G3P or EGAL. Since the Calvin cycle started with 15 carbons, 3 5-carbon molecules, and there are now 18 carbons, we have a net gain of 3 carbons. Once the Calvin cycle turns twice, well, actually 6 times. Those 2 molecules of G3P, a 3-carbon carbohydrate, combine to form 1 molecule of glucose, a 6-carbon carbohydrate molecule, or another organic compound. Step 3, regeneration of RUBP. Since this is a Calvin cycle, we must end up back at the beginning. The remaining 5 3GP molecules, 3 carbons each, get rearranged using ATP to form 3 RUBP molecules. And we're back at the beginning. Products from each reaction are used for the other, and the cycle continues.